Hey guys, Sammy Mila here, culinary specialist and food stylist for Better Homes and Gardens. And today I'm going to show you how to make whipped coffee.
So for this drink, ingredients include sugar, instant coffee or espresso powder, and hot water. I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee or espresso powder, and 2 tablespoons of hot water. I'm going to use a hand mixer to whip it all up for like 2, maybe 3 minutes until it's nice and fluffy. If you don't have a hand mixer, you can always just use a whip and a little elbow grease. It's just going to take a little longer. Next, I'm going to add a little ice and a little milk to this glass and top it with my coffee fluff. And you're done.
And that's it, guys. It is so easy, super quick, and also super tasty. I'm thinking this whipped coffee stuff can go on almost anything, like ice cream, French toast, cake. Honestly, just try it out and see what you think. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you all next time. For more cool content, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment.